Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. So in this series of Python tutorial, today we are going to see string functions in Python. So string functions are used to perform various operations on string. There are many string functions as below. So I have listed all the string functions which are used to perform various operations on a string. So let's see all these functions one by one. So first open the IDE. So let's declare a string first. Say str1 equals to Python developer. So here you can see that this is a single string, that is Python developer, but note one thing, that this string contains two different words, that is Python and developer. Whenever we separate a string with space, it becomes two different words, but the string is only one, that is Python developer. So why I am telling about words, because the title function converts the first character of every word into uppercase. So here we have two words, Python and developer. So whenever we use title function over the string str1, it will convert the first character, that is P, and the first character of the second word, that is D, into uppercase. So let's see this str1 dot tle title. So you can see that the first character of every word Python and developer is converted into uppercase, that is P and D. Now let's see the second function, that is capitalize. So let's declare another string stat2 equals to, say, YouTube tutorial. So capitalize function only convert the first character of the entire string into uppercase. So this is a single string YouTube tutorial, but it has two different words, YouTube and tutorial. So whenever we use capitalize function, it converts only the first character of the entire string into uppercase. So str2 dot capitalize. So you can see that the first character of the first word, that is YouTube, Y, in converted into uppercase. That is first character of the entire string. So now move forward. So we have another function, lower. So let's declare a string first, str3 equals to, say, Facebook. So lower function converts all the characters of a string which are in uppercase into lowercase. So let's see this str3 dot lowered. So you can see that all the characters of the string Facebook, which was in uppercase, now converted into lowercase. Now let's see the next function, that is upper. So let's declare string first, say YouTube. So upper function does nothing but converts all the characters of a string which are in lowercase into uppercase. So str4 dot upper. So you can see that all the characters of the string YouTube are now converted into uppercase. Now move forward. So we have another function, len. So len function is used to count the characters of a given string. So let's declare a string first. str5 equals to let's say Python only. So if we want to count the number of characters in the string str5, we have to pass the string variable within this alien function. So str5, so you can see that the number of characters in the string Python is 6. So one thing you should note here, that this alien function also count any space or any other characters within this within any string. So let's see this. str6 equals to say Python space dev, then add something like this. So this string has total 7 8 9 10 11 12, total 12 characters, including this space, @ and exclamation symbol. So alien function will count all these characters, including space also. So str of 6, so you can see that all number of characters in the string is 12. So now we have another function, count. So count function is used to count the occurrence of a specific character in a string. So let's again declare another string str of str7 equals to say Python course. So if we want to count the number of occurrence of a specific character, say O, so we have to write like str7 dot count, and within this count function we have to pass the character which we want to count in a specific string. So say O. So you can see that O is present twice in the entire string Python course. So we can use this count function to count the space also in a given string. So let's see this also. str7 dot count. Now we have to put double quote and we have to put a space between this double quotes to count the space in a string. So you can see that it returns 1, that is there is only one space in this string str7 equals to Python course. So that's all for today. We'll discuss the other function in our next tutorial, that is lower, is upper, index or find, split and replace. So if you find this video helpful for you, please like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.